Did you know that with just foreplay, you and your partner can actually come to a climax? Because foreplay triggers a sexual response just before penetration that leads to an enjoyable and pleasurable sex. My name is Fore, and I am your humble host. On today's episode of Intimacy, we will be looking at the topic foreplay. We will be right back after the break. Don't go nowhere. Welcome back to today's episode. I want to say a very big thank you to everyone who has been giving us feedback, who has been commenting, and who has also subscribed to our YouTube channel. We will be looking at foreplay. What is foreplay? What do you understand by foreplay? Foreplay is known to send sweet signals to your spouse. It makes them know you're ready for sex. Foreplay also creates a very strong bond between you or your partner. Foreplay also makes penetration easy, because by the time you engage in the act of foreplay, as a woman, you become wet, and as a man, the semen begins to drip out. The semen begins to drip out of your penis, and it makes penetration so easy and fluid. You don't need to. There will be no cause of friction or whatsoever. And also, foreplay also arouses every of your sexual organs, your nerves. Everything is standing at attention. Foreplay also serves as a memory refresher. For instance, how he kisses you, how he sucks your nipple, how he spanks your ass, and how he sucks on your ear, how he sucks on your clitoris, your vagina. Those serves as memory refresher. And the moment you begin to remember those things, you begin to get wet. So foreplay serves as a memory refresher. We will be looking at the types of foreplay. We have the blowjob, which has to do with you sucking on your man's penis. And please, when you're sucking on your man's penis, avoid using your teeth, because we don't want an hickey on his penis. And also for the man, when you're sucking on your woman's clitoris, avoid using your teeth. Use more of your tongue. God has blessed you with this tongue. Make good use of it. Come on, lick it. It's for you. You own it, so lick it. Don't forget that the nipple is also part of foreplay. Sucking of the nipple and also playing with it. When you're sucking the nipple, please make sure you avoid using your teeth, except your partner, if the man or the woman likes a little bit. And even if you're going to use your teeth, just very, very lightly, so that you don't cause injury or wound on the nipple. And now, just in case you've gone on 2-3 rounds and you notice that your woman is dried up already, or you yourself, you're not so wet, don't stress yourself. Just use lubricant. It makes it much more easier. There will be no friction. You will not have to go through pain. And for the female, when you want to touch your man, don't just dwell on the penis. Come on, he has the balls there. Play with his balls very, very lightly. Come on, play with it. Kiss it. Put it in your mouth very lightly, because it's a very, very sensitive part of the body. I hope you enjoyed today's topic, which is foreplay, because I also enjoyed talking about it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel at IreTV. Follow us on every of our social media platform. You can also follow me on Instagram at official.Fore. Please don't forget, keep on commenting, keep on liking every of our posts, because every post from every episode promises to be mind-blowing and informative. I remain your humble host, Fore. Thank you for staying with us.